This video features a soundtrack created with the help of artificial intelligence.
You walked in like a thunderstorm, lit my world, now nothing feels the norm. Heart's a riot, can't calm the flame. Every beat screaming out your name. You're the chaos I can't escape, the sweetest risk I ever dared to take. Every touch, every look you throw turns my blood to rock and roll. You set me on fire like a match to my veins. Every kiss gasoline burning up through my brain. I'm crashing, I'm flying, but I'll never tire, 'cause baby your love sets me on fire. You're the loud in my silence, the war in my peace. Got me begging for more, but never for release. You're the anthem in my bones, the soul in my soul. When we touch, the whole world shakes. You make the broken whole. You set me on fire, I cannot show my face. Everything's good time, but enough from my brain. I'm crushing, I'm flying, but I'll never tire. Just maybe your love sets me on fire. Let the flames rise higher, let the world fall down. As long as I've got you, I don't need a way out. You set me on fire like a match to my veins. Every kiss gasoline burning up through my brain.